Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer where there is an error message. The device is being used by another application. Please close any devices that are playing audio to this device and then try again. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? Okay, so in the next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay type mo lang dito yung control panel and then click mo lang itong open. Okay, so dito lang sa category, click mo lang itong arrow na to and then select mo lang dito yung search icon para makita mo lahat ng settings. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung sounds. And then dito sa sounds ay select mo lang dito kung ano yung ginagamit mo. Okay, and the next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung properties. Dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung advanced. And then next step ay dito lang sa exclusive mode ay kailangan naka-check tong allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. I-check mo lang to and then click mo lang tong restore defaults and then click mo lang tong okay. Right, then cross lang natin dito and then next step na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay type mo lang dito yung services, and then click mo lang itong open. And then dito sa services local, ay kailangan lang natin hanapin yung Windows Audio, so scroll lang tayo. Okay, so dito sa Windows Audio, ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up tong kanyang Windows Audio properties. And the next step ay dito lang sa startup type, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung automatic. And then click mo lang tong apply and then click mo lang tong okay. Alright? And then, if the problem is still persists, do this another method. Okay, so cross lang natin dito sa services. Dito lang sa search bar ng ating computer ay type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na sfc space / scan now and then next ay press mo lang yung enter. Alright, so makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of the system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintayin na verifications are 100% complete. Okay, so wait lang natin. Alright, so makikita nyo dito na verifications 100% complete. Right, so ang next step na gagawin natin dito ay close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa startup menu and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong restart. Okay, so kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Yan, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang device is being used by another applications error in a Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.